This is a nonpartisan judicial position. And I think for a lot of people, that can be a little confusing, especially in today's environment where so much feels political. So let me ask you, why is it important that judges remain nonpartisan? And what does that actually mean for the people in the community?
First, it's important to note that candidates for just judicial office, in this case, 47th District Court judge, when a lot of people get their ballot, they'll check off one party or another. That won't affect which judge gets selected for this court. You actually have to look for that 47th District Court position to be able to select your choice of judge for this. And there's a reason for that. Judges don't belong to political parties. This position is not about one party or another. The district court handles landlord-tenant cases. It handles cases under $25,000, criminal misdemeanor cases, and traffic tickets, and some other matters as well. But this position is not about politics. When I will hopefully be seated as our next judge, people to understand when they come in, they're getting a non-biased opinion from a judge. They're getting somebody who's applying the law to the facts of the case. Politics has no place in the courtroom. This is strictly about the law and the facts and the people that come before the court.
So when you say justice should never be political, what does that look like in real life, in an actual courtroom?
It means when a person comes into a courtroom, they feel and know they're going to be treated fairly. They're not going to be treated differently based on their political bias. They're not going to be treated differently where they come from or who they are. They're going to be treated fairly on their case. The law will be applied fairly and consistently to the matter before the court, as I like to say. This is not a job about politics. This position is a community position that's not political. Judges of our court are supposed to apply the law without regard to politics to the facts of the case.